If you are a new video editor, you must have encountered this missing media or missing file problem, and many may still face it. The problem is mainly caused by not being able to manage video project file properly. So today, I will show you how professional video editor manage their project files beautifully, so that in future they can access the file without any hassle. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. First, go to the drive where you will save your project files. I selected desktop for the demo. Then create a new file and name it project file demo. Then go inside the folder. Here, create a new folder and name it 01.footage, because here we will put original videos of the project. Then create another new folder and name it 02.audio, because this is where we will keep the original audios or voiceover of the project. Then create a new folder and name it 03.graphics, because here we will put created graphics such as logo animation, subscribe animation, etc. Then create a new folder for photos and name it 04.photos. Then create a new folder and name it 05.music. This one is for background music and sound effects. Then create another new folder and name it 06.document. Then create another new folder and name it 07.premiere or file location. In this folder, we will save the Premiere project files. Then create another new folder and name it 08.After Effects or animation file. If we do the animation of the project in After Effects or any other software, then we will put the project file of that software in this folder. Then create one last folder and name it 09.export. We will export the video to this folder after editing. Now go outside the folder. Here I forgot to add 0 before the folder name. Add a 0 before the folder name so that the folder is always at the top. Now whenever you edit a new video, copy the demo folder and rename the folder to include the serial and video title. Then go inside the folder and bring your footage, music, audio and graphics, etc. into the folder that you will be edit. Then open Premiere. Here click on new project. Write the video title in the project name. Here the most important part, the project location. Click on the project location name and click on choose location. Then go to where the project folders are located. Go inside the folder. Here click on Premiere or file location. Then click on select folder. The folder is selected. Then click on create. Double click in the project window. Then import the folders you need into Premiere one by one. There is no need to create new folders for video, audio, graphics, etc. in Premiere. Now the final step is export. When you are finished editing the video, click export. Here write the video title in the file name. There is another location below the file name. This is export location. Click on this blue location name. Then find your export folder. Go inside and click on save. Now click on export. After exporting is done, check the export folder. Look, the edited video has been exported perfectly. If you go inside the Premiere or file location folder, you will see all the project files. So that is it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Till then, take care.